Hi guys, welcome back from spring break. It's Nunu, and we are here in creative writing. Okay, so what do we have in home? Our bulletin board to the classroom. You have your week 10 note from Nunu, which you're listening to and viewing right now. And we have our to-do list down here, a link to our Bible in the classroom modules, and we have week 10 modules, April 8th through the 14th. We are participating in discussion 7, Charles Bukowski and Leigh Hunt. And because we're dealing with Bukowski, and let me blow this up a little bit, we have a window into Los Angeles. Bukowski spent most of his life in LA, and so we have our beautiful city of the angels here. Okay, I wanted to remind you I have conferences and office hours in General Classroom Building 210D, 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays. And of course, you know that you can reach me here in the inbox at any time. You're never bothering me. You're never emailing me too much. I love to hear from you. Okay, so let's get started with this week 10 and modules. Just click on the link and it will take you right away into this assignment. All right, let's have a good week.